Good morning, all. Myself, Arshdeep Kaur, a member of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Today, we are here to study the first poem of your syllabus, that is, The Lost Dances of Cranes. Introduction. The poem The Lost Dances of Cranes is written by Juliet Wilson. It reflects on the evolution from the endangered species to the development of cities through the construction cranes. The poem is about something which is from the past and does not exist anymore in the present. The lost dances of cranes. Your fields are empty now, only your ghosts dance, while cranes of another kind dance cities into being. All that remain of you are a fading crackle of your energy and some grainy video footage that people in the new cities will watch to marvel at the wonders of the world once held. The lost dances of cranes. The poet personifies the cranes which are no longer available in the present. Through this poem, the poet wants to attract the reader's attention towards the need to stop hazardous human activities. Due to these activities, the cranes have got extinct and many more species are endangered. Your fields are empty now. The poet personifies the cranes, the birds who were once seen on the wetlands that are not seen anymore. The wetlands have reduced due to human activities, as in place of those wetlands, there are cities built up, which have led to the loss of habitat of the cranes and many other animals. Only your ghost stands. The poet wants to convey that due to human hazardous activities and greedy nature to have more and more have resulted into the loss of livelihood. So today we are left only with the memories of these birds. While cranes of another kind dance cities into being, the poet connects these birds with the cranes of another kind seen there, which refers to the machine cranes which help human beings to build up the cities. These cranes do not give life to existing birds, but rather the cities are destroying their livelihood. All that remain of you are a fading crackle of your energy and some grainy video footage. By using the word you, the poet personifies the birds. The birds are getting extinct. The poet tells that what we have left now with us are only the memories of these birds captured in the videos. Through these videos, we try to connect ourselves with the reality, which is no more there due to our own activities. That people in the new cities will watch to marvel at the wonders of the world. This stanza tells about the ways of modern living by watching the nature's videos. But in reality, a video is a worse substitute for the actual birds. It is worse because it fools us into thinking that we are fully appreciating the natural beauty of our world through these video clips. Conclusion. A poem like this implicitly challenges its readers to do something besides watching television about the losses of the natural world. Hope so you all have understood the poem. Thank you.